こんにちは。Lesson 5. How to order food. You'll be able to ask about menu to order food and to say thank you for the food. Please call me Arai sensei. If you want to visit Japan, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll get the useful phrases. In this lesson, you'll learn the essential expressions and its practice, and the culture tip in order to behave like the native speaker. Let's order food. Imagine you are choosing a restaurant in Japan. Often restaurants display the menu like this. It's a good idea to take a picture of the food you like before entering the restaurant. Now you're ready to order. Get attention? Yes, すみません。はい。Say, これ、お願いします。Do you remember これ? This one from lesson 2? And お願いします I request from lesson 3? So, これ、お願いします This one please. Okay? Repeat. これお願いします。これお願いします。Nice! And often menu has images too. So you just point one dish and say, これお願いします。Now let's practice. 1. Oh, looks nice. Let's take a photo. Now you're in the shop. Attention. すみません。はい。Order this one? Yes. これお願いします。Good. 2. Now you're in another restaurant. Go. すみません。はい。Try. これお願いします。Good. 3. You're in a cafe now. Go. すみません。はい。Order. これお願いします。Excellent. Next, let's check if they have the dish you like. You came to this nice restaurant and got this menu. You want to eat sakana, fish, if it's on the menu. Let's ask. すみません。はい。Say, 魚ありますか? あります means exist. So it means, do you have eggs? Okay? Repeat. X ありますか? X ありますか? はい。So you can request. Yes. お願いします。You don't need to repeat 魚 because it's obvious what you want to order from the context. Now, practice time. 1. You are in this izakaya. The menu is on the wall. You wonder if there's okonomiyaki. すみません。はい。Try. お好み焼きありますか? はい。Request. Yes. お願いします。2. You are in this sobaya, soba noodle restaurant. The menu is all in Japanese. And you want to try ざるそば. すみません。はい。Go. ざるそばありますか? はい。Order. お願いします。Great! The last expression. Let's leave the restaurant nicely. In Japan, we normally pay at the till. Then say, ごちそうさまでした and bow. ごちそうさま feast. でした was. So, it was the feast means thank you for the food and drink when you finish it. Okay? Repeat please. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。Very good. Now you're leaving this restaurant. Say, ごちそうさまでした。And leave here. ごちそうさまでした。One more time. ごちそうさまでした。Perfect. If you want to learn more, try the playlist called Basic Japanese for Beginners Part 1. Also, please check Japanese pronunciation for beginners if you want. Now, culture tip. In izakaya, a traditional Japanese pub, otoshi, a small dish like this, is served automatically once you take a seat. But it's automatically charged as well. It's the culture and I always take it. But if you don't want to take it, say, すみません。お通しは結構です。And bow. Okay? Okay, let's summarize the lesson. Ordering food and drinks? Yes. X お願いします。Asking about the menu? X ありますか？ Leaving the restaurant? ごちそうさまでした。And culture tip? Yes, basically Japanese people take お通し. Wow, you're a great learner. You've been following all. Lesson 6 is at the shop. So don't miss out and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, please visit masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can access for more lessons. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.